Saturday with Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm taking over today and just for an hour because I work, but it's a cozy weekend. We're on our way to a cafe right now. I will probably botch the name if I try it. Do you want to try how to say it?
No, I don't know how to say it.
Yeah.
It's like Gyro.
Gyro? No.
Gyro.
It's a very cute cafe. It's about 15 minutes from where we live, so Sydney's driving, as always. I'm a passenger princess. But we're gonna go get some sweet treats and we're gonna try their fall drinks. Here's my matcha. That one's good, as always. As Sydney would say, it tastes like grass. I love it. And look at my food.
This coffee tastes good. This one's very questionable. This one's green. Oh! Tastes better? It usually tastes like earth.
It does. It slightly tastes like earth.
This one tastes really good. Alright everyone, we just got out of the cafe. I just absolutely love the atmosphere in there. Overall, pretty good. We forgot to substitute the regular milk for oat milk or almond milk. So our tummies might be having, you know, some little complications, but that's okay. It is a Saturday. We have a full weekend ahead. We're currently 10:30 in the morning and we have some big plans for tomorrow. We're excited.
I have work today.
Kayla has work today. It's supposed to be stormy today. And
look at this. You think it's storming today?
It's windy and beautiful right now, but we are supposed to be getting some thunderstorms. But with that said, we will take you all through our weekend. If you haven't, make sure to subscribe. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. But that's all. We're gonna head back to the apartment now. Yay! Hey everyone. So the current time is currently 1:13. We're gonna have a cozy weekend. I am so excited for all the activities we are doing this weekend. Tomorrow we are going on a drive early in the morning, and at the time of filming, it is currently the season of fall, of autumn, all the good things. Now, is this video gonna be uploaded during that time? Probably not. Y'all gonna see this like in May. I'm kidding. I actually don't know what month. But every like, every comment, every subscription to my channel is so appreciated. The videos take a lot of time to edit, but I find so much joy in them and the creative aspect of it. So I really love it. Take y'all along for our little cozy weekend, and I'm excited. But y'all, we just went to Dutch Bros and we like never get larges. These are as large as my head. Look at these. These are huge. Oh my goodness. These are humongous. Look how huge these are. Oh my gosh. They're as big as my head. This is definitely the sweet treat for today. Went ahead and decided to order some large drinks, and oh my gosh, do they measure up. Like, you are in a country outside of the United States. What do your large coffees look like? What do your large drinks look like? This is a tea, this is an energy drink, but please, like, I need to know because these are huge. Good morning everyone. It is officially Sunday. We got ourselves some drinks. Woo! Some bagels. And we are currently on our way to a little fall drive. It is the Alpine Loop here in Utah. We are so excited. The trees are turning. This evening we have a lantern festival to attend. It's gonna be an absolutely beautiful fall day. So we're excited. Thanks, Samantha.
You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, not getting closer, you're killing me.
snow on the mountains and with the fall trees. It's giving Pixie Hollow. It's so gorgeous.
It's so good out here. It smells like wood. I can't. Oh no! Oh my God, she's losing herself.
We're filming.
She found it. Oh, sorry, there's a rock there. Okay.
I know that you were always how you using me, but I just had enough. And every time you said you ever wanted me, yeah. When you know we don't get along like we used to. Went along with everything you said and done for me. You'll never love me now, but you'll never know. You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, not getting closer. You're killing me. You thought it's over.
Huh? Whoa, look! No! How do you record?
I don't know. Love you.
I'm so done looking for love so blindly. You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, not getting closer. You're killing me. You thought it's over. I'm waking alone now, not getting closure. So done running around. I'm so done looking for love, don't call me. So done running around. I'm so done looking for love so blindly. So done running around. I'm so done looking for love, don't call me. So done running around. I'm so done looking for love so blindly. Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand.
Hey everyone, it is currently 3:10 in the afternoon. Just took a 2-hour nap. I was so tired. I took my little nap with Mr. Puddles here. Behind Mr. Puddles. We had our little nappy time together on the bed that is full of laundry that needs to be folded, but it was good. But with that said, we're leaving at 4 p.m. I'm not going like this. I changed into some sweatpants. We have to drive about an hour, 45 minutes to the lanterns, so we're gonna do that. Alright y'all, the time is currently 5 in the afternoon and we are now on our way to the Lantern Festival.
Where did it go? The feeling of thirst.
Hey everyone, we are currently at the Lantern Fest. We are waiting for the sun to go down, so let's do some fit checks.
Okay, I'll stand first.
Cute. We got the sweater from Amazon. We got the dress from White Fox.
And
Shoes.
boots from Amazon too.
And look at these shoes. So cute. Do it.
She don't need promises, she just wants the truth. She brings the calm just like a quiet prayer fills the room. Kisses like Sunday, fights like Friday night. And I'd go to hell and back just to hold her tight. She slips right through my hands and shows up like nothing's changed. Yeah, she's wild when she wants, like she's never coming down.
5,
There's a storm
4,
in her blood.
3, 2, 1. Light up the sky.
Kills me every time. She don't belong to anyone, but she's a little bit mine. Dancing like no one's watching, barefoot spinning round. A firecracker 4th of July, she's moving at the speed of sound. She makes it look so easy, as she walks away. Can't help but wonder what will make her stay. She slips right through my hands. Wonder if she'll ever change. Yeah, she's wild when she wants, like she's never coming down. There's a storm in her blood, but I see heaven in her brown eyes. Oh, it kills me every time. She don't belong to anyone. She's a little bit mine. Yeah, a little bit mine. Yeah, she's wild when she wants, like she's never coming down. There's a
We just finished up the Lights Fest. We are now trying to get out. We are stuck in traffic. It feels so much later than it is, but it's only 8:15 in the evening. We making some food, head home, cozy up, see my little puddles. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Love it!